In this video, we'll be reviewing the maintenance steps for the SC Pro series. Disconnect the bottle probe from the system. Check coil for dirt accumulation. Clean to remove dirt buildup. Use a brush and vacuum to clean the coil. Remove the 4 screws and access panel from the side of the unit. Check for damage or evidence of leaks on the coil. Check the drain pan, drain line, coil, and other areas of moisture accumulation for visible signs of biological growth. Inspect for evidence of moisture carryover beyond the drain pan from the cooling coil. Use a rag to wipe and clean the internal drain pan. Drain brush must be pre-bent before use. Use the provided drain brush to clean out the internal drain line. Perform condensate drain tests to verify proper drainage. Do not introduce any foreign chemicals into the internal drain pan or coils. Clean and blow out drain line to clear any obstructions. Remove excess water out of internal drain pan after condensate drain test has been performed. Reinstall access panel. Check all electrical connections for integrity. Clean and tighten electrical connections as needed. Remove the 4 screws and UV ballast from the side of the unit. Check the UV lamp. Replace UV bulb annually to ensure proper operation. Reinstall the UV ballast. Reconnect the bottle probe to the unit. Check integrity of all panels on the equipment. Replace fasteners to ensure integrity and proper fit of equipment. Repair or replace damaged panels. Next, power on the system. Check fan operation and confirm the evaporator and condenser fans are running. Check controller probes for proper operation. Check PB 1, 2, and 3 temperatures. Check bottle probe condition. Clean bottle probe by wiping it with a towel or rag and change the water inside the wine bottle.